Well, I got to disassemble the feeder. Pennsylvania rule is 30 days before hunting season, all feed and minerals got to be gone. So I got to take that down. I'm going to put new batteries in the camera. This is a pretty good spot. And I'm going to take it down and pull that SD card out of that camera, which is right on that tree here, right next to my head, and see what we got on it. Hopefully something good. But this is a nice little back field back here. That's the big hilltop behind us, and then the deer animals come out to this little field here. It's kind of hidden, no roads, quiet. Well, we'll see what's on there. All right, just took it off the tree from right here, and I've got the old batteries there. Here's the new ones. I don't want to get them mixed up. I already swapped out the SD card. But let me put these new batteries in, put it back on there on the tree, and start it up. Make sure we got a good signal. All right, I got it back on there. Now with one hand, I'm gonna try to flip this on here. And you can see those lights. They're gonna flash. Once they go steady, that means you got a signal. Sometimes it takes a while. Like maybe even like 2 minutes sometimes for it to grab a signal. So I guess I'll just cut the video. When it comes back on, I'll flip the camera back on. Okay, took like a minute. 5 bars and the red light is flashing, which means you got 30 seconds and it's going to start taking photos. So it looks like we're in good shape. So I'm going to close this up. Well, I can't do it with one hand, so I'm going to have to turn off the video and lock this all back up. All right, all set. And it actually snapped my picture and just sent it to my phone, so it's working. Colors look good. But look at this nice deer trail. Deer trail comes right underneath here, and this is a huge oak tree. And there's a ginormous oak tree right there. So they come right off that hillside, right down this little hill, and right to the feeder. Now I'm going to take this away right now. I got my ratchet with me, and hopefully they make some scrapes right here. That would be pretty fun to see on camera. A nice buck making a scrape. But I got to do this because it's getting ready to rain. Before I take this feeder away, take a look right here. Right there, you can see that. And on the lid, we had an angry bear. He wanted more corn to fall out than that. So I'm gonna have to take this feeder away because bears aren't supposed to be eating from feeders. So we'll take it away. All right, I got it down. It was right there, but man, this thing's heavy. There's still got to be 40 pounds of corn in this thing, but I'm gonna carry it out of here because it can't be here. There's gonna be a deer stand there instead of this feeder. So out we go. Okay, I just changed the SD card and the batteries on that camera, and that's up on the trail at this feeder right here, and I got to take this feeder down and carry it out of here. Same thing as the other one, can't have it out here too close to hunting season, so I got to get my ratchet and take this apart. Take a look. We got some scratches on this one. Some dirt all over there. Yeah, I don't know what that is. That's pretty sharp claws. I don't think that would be a bear, because that just seems way too sharp. So I don't know what the heck that was, but something's been trying to keep the corn falling out, and this thing's still got a lot of corn in it. So I gotta get out of here.